Did you know someone hiccuped for 68 years straight? Imagine hiccuping nonstop for nearly 7 decades. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and couldn't stop until 1990. Doctors couldn't find a cause or cure, making his case one of the most bizarre medical mysteries ever. Despite the constant hiccups, Charles became a symbol of resilience, sharing his story worldwide. His incredible endurance shows just how mysterious and resilient the human body can be, turning a strange condition into a story of perseverance. Don't forget to ask everyone,